Keep your hand on the wheel, Ashley. I mean, God, he obviously wants to go to bed with you. I mean, how do you feel about this? You have a boyfriend. Yes, but, I mean, this is Francisco Vega. I mean, apart from him being so sexy, he's an international icon. Mahatma Gandhi. How can you say no? This is a story you can tell your grandchildren.
May I show you upstairs?
Oh, sure.
If you liked here, you're gonna love it over there.
Okay.
Look, got us some whiskey.
Is this where you sleep?
Yeah, when I sleep. But you can see the whole apartment from here. It's quite special.
Nice.
Yeah, I know.